Hello! Today we continue to learn the types of fractions. In previous video we have talked about three main types of fractions and also discussed reciprocals. In this tutorial we'll consider four more types of fractions. These four types are related to one of two main types, proper or improper fractions, and are their special cases. Let's start. And the first type is the same numerator fractions. Remember, the fractions having the same numerator, such as 5/3, 5/6, 5/8, 5/9, 5/11, and so on, are called the same numerator fractions. The next type is unit fractions. Remember, unit fractions are fractions having 1 as their numerator, such as 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8, 1/9, 1/11, and so on. Note, unit fractions are a special case of the same numerator fractions and the reciprocals of whole numbers. One more type of fractions is like fractions. Remember, fractions having the same denominator, such as 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 7/8, 9/8, and so on, are called like fractions. And at last, there are unlike fractions. Remember, fractions having the different numbers in their denominators, such as 3/4, 4/9, 5/11, 2/3, 1/8, and so on, are called unlike fractions. And that's all. Thanks for watching. In next video I'll tell about changing the type of the fractions. Don't miss it. Bye!